Modern architect of Tripura Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Mariko Bahaduni Filsara Chichar Asimani Shaldek Shabui Fashalo Jompujula Nobo Shodara Tongma Don Bosco Rungnoga Football Tournament Muthangzakha Football Tournament no Chengsirina Yangai Manjagaikha Footballer Shobod Depolma Tongo Principal Don Bosco Nobo Shodar Father Joel Eka Khoboi Jida Frungnai Zegrok Oshalo Football Tournament Rikshabui Principal Father Joel Eka Shaka Tabungni Jorabo Shikla Rokno Efek Mani by Haksalo Toniwi Opohai Tungmung Rogo Bukha Marana Bagai Bishi Burum Juda Tungmung Rok Rung Nokni Fashingti Tung Kolabo Mutungzago Rung Frungmung by Baksha Tungmungobo Bukha Marana Bagai Romzago Opohai Yapri Hene Modern architect of Tripura Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Mariko Bahaduni Asimani Shalo Football Tournament Mutungzakha Omutungmungni Bishingti Palai Jakha Maharajani Asimani Shal Hane Shaka Principal.
Good morning to you all and greetings from Don Bosco School, Nabasada, Jampur Sipai Jila District, Tripura. I, on behalf of the school, would like to wish all and also to happily say that today we are going to organize a football tournament in the name of Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur. His birthday we celebrated on 19th August, and in his name, in honor of him, we are celebrating this football tournament. In this tournament, we are lucky to have in our midst chief guest Sir Subodh Debbarma, who is very much well known for his contribution to the sports, especially football. And through his efforts and hard work, so many have benefited a lot. And with his presence, we are going to begin today's tournament. In this tournament, we have got 32 teams, but we got many more, but for this time, we are keeping only 32 teams, and in this tournament A division and B division players are restricted so that upcoming players get ample opportunities and chances to come up, and we will also see that they also go to that level of B division as well as A division and also be able to represent our state of Tripura. So I'm happy and thank all the team managers, coach and players and all parents, guardians, teachers and students and all the people of this region. I wish all enjoy this tournament and support and promote sports as well as friendship and also good health and fitness. So with this, I welcome each and everyone to celebrate sports and celebrate life. Thank you.
Keno bukhatong thongmani din sini Maharajani asaimani sanlo rogoi sini oro Don Bosco School jibabe sini South Wales program football tournament no je jengi rekha abuni bagai ar oroni kaisa niti oroni kaisa rules ar rules singkamo hai jara oro A division B division thangnai oro mathinga national khenai oro mathinga tamni bagai himale newcomer mane cherai ketal angkhoroi jeng taibo football no mane talented player basai khenini o je uduk jamani aboni bagai ang sar no oron father sar no paibe esa hambai je jinis no jeng Jompujala sub division no organize khaimia asar tigi organize khai kunuka kaise ketal oddai amni bagai sarno taibaisa paibe esa hambai marwo norok jotono saimano Jompujala angka football ni kaisa center ajaga taibo sarno udungna kha agami jeng taibo kaham player manane abasini bisas no saimano jotono Tripura rajyo joto boro tournament cholikha Jompujala football play center kunu jaga phano maya kri Romnadi ONGC cup arbo champion nakha Pordojong nakha nini joto motamoti Tripura bebak nakha tabu ang haini masa ang cover hunbai mani football ni cover chini South Wales tabu sing
শোনো শোনো ভোজন রসিক, শোনো মন দিয়া, ঝাঁঝের স্বাদে রান্না করো লং তরাই দিয়া।
ইলিশ সর্ষে পোস্ত বাটা যেমন ইচ্ছে নাও, মালাই চিংড়ি মাংস কষা চেটে পুটে খাও,
আহা চেটে পুটে খাও, আহা চেটে পুটে খাও। লং তরাই কাচ্চি ঘানির সর্ষে তেলে টেস্ট, যে খাবে সেই বলবে লং তরাই বেশ।
লং তরাই সর্ষের তেল, ঝাঁঝে স্বাদে তোমাকে চাই।
আহা লং তরাই বেশ, আহা লং তরাই বেশ।